Welcome back to the Isabella Show. It's been a long time since I've seen you. So have you been watching your hands? We have something special for you. So today we'll be doing arts and crafts. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is letter of your choice, some paint, water, a paper towel, paintbrushes, and a paper bag so you won't dirty the surface, or newspaper, or anything. So the letter of my choice is letter I for igloo, for iguana, and other stuff too. What starts with the letter I? So the color I'm gonna use is pink. Okay, so I'm gonna open pink. Ah! And put a little dab there. Mistake. Ah. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one, and then put a little pink here, here, here. Just like that. Just a little dab of pink here. Here and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and everywhere. Just yeah! Pro tip: you can do it softly if you do it too fast. Now, I'm going to paint this letter I a little bit more so it can get the right texture from it. So now I'm going to put more and 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 more. And more 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 and more. I'm going to use the color light blue. It's a cute little pool blue. Pool blue. Like when you go in the pool and you splash into the pool. Now my nostrils. Okay, so now I'm going to dab this like no one cares. Great, this is great, this is just great. I'm painting with just one paintbrush. I just don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm saying even, I'm just saying random things. So the next color I'm going to use is this ocean bee blue or something. I don't know what it's called, but it's just called the paint. The blue paint that I call it. So, I got this blue paint. Ah! And I'm going to dab it on and just scoop it on and put it on carefully like this in careful context classes. Okay, so never mind. Just when you first do it, you have to do it really carefully, and then you can just do whatever you want at the next level of it. of when painting. And then go wild. Just go wild. Like just wild. Like wild. Like wildly. Like you're an animal or something. Just wild. Okay. Smash this in. And then, now I'm going to use, okay, this blue. It's cute and it's kind of dark, really dark actually. Wait a minute, this is not the blue I'm using. I'm using this blue. I always get these blues mixed up. Smash this one. And now, dab it. And now, paint it. And 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 paint it until you go wild. Wildly. Wildly. Wildly crazy. Wild, 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 wild. Put it on and you'll go wild. Put it on carefully and go wild. Go wild, go wild, go wild, go wild. Like yeah! Massively long video today. So the next color, I'm going to use this blue. 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 That hurt. And it was just... Dip it in. And go not wild. Just kidding, you have to go wild. Wild and wild. Not wild and wild. Not wild and wild. Not wild and wild. No, but really, I really am wild. Wild, and wild, and wilder, and wilder. I don't know what wilder means, I just made it up. To make it dry more, you can just squeeze it with your finger to make it all the wetness come out of it. The next color I'm going to be using is this blue, which has a little splash of pink on it, because I accidentally put pink on it. Good thing I didn't put pink. Sometimes you get dirty a lot, and I recommend you to wear an apron, because I'm not wearing an apron. Go wild! Go wild and 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 wild. And then it's not wild and wild. Wildly crazy. Wild. Wild. Just wild and crazy. Wild, 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 wild. I just said wild. Then when you get to the end, you have to be really careful and not go really wild. I mean, was what we've been doing a lot. Just when you get to here, you can do it wildly crazy. And if you want to do the back of it, sure, you can do the back, but you have to wait for it to dry first. So, yeah. So this is how it came out on the front. This is the before and this is the after. This is my painting. Da 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 da. And these are hands of an artist, and the lips of an artist. Cause I got them on my lips. Did you make a creation too? Tag me on Instagram. It's a Bella Show. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell button, and give this video a thumbs up. For the next video, you see this t-shirt right here? I'm going to show you how to make your own t-shirt. Not from any stores or anything. You can make your own t-shirt. Bye guys!